Good morning, guys. This is my current situation. If you saw my last vlog, I went out last night and had a good time. So I've only just pulled myself out of bed. I'm not hungover, but I know that I will probably be later. I feel like it's like a slow burner hangovers. So yeah, I'm feeling okay now, but I just needed to rest and stay in bed because I haven't had a sleep in honestly forever. But I'm just about to get ready. Peyton's coming over. We're gonna get some photos and go to Ikea. I probably look so ugly. Like this. What's that? And I got my hair wet. Great. Yeah, but we're gonna go to Ikea. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready. I need to water my plants, sort my washing out from yesterday that I forgot about. But yeah, I'm just giving my plants another drink, and look, a new leaf. So pretty. And this one's about to unfold as well. Looks like that's gonna be another new one. How cute. And then this, I gave it some new soil as well. And then these guys are over here, but this one had a leaf up here and it's, I don't know where it's gone, so I think it's like fallen off, but this guy is struggling a little bit, but I'm hoping some sunlight and some water will do him well, because the lady in the shop was like, they grow so quickly, and like he kind of isn't, although that looks like it's a new shoot, so that's good. But yeah, hopefully this guy starts growing a bit more soon. And then this is my new one, so I'm not really sure what to expect out of this one yet. But she's cute, little Bonnie. I've just put another face mask on to revive myself. Guys, the landscaping at my house is finished. And look, like, wait a sec. Like, how fucking beautiful does this look? We've got some cactuses, which I think is adorable. It's like the pool lounges. And then this way, we've got like all the palms and stuff, which are so beautiful. Look. Yeah, I'm obsessed. And then we have this new daybed here, which is hell cute. Definitely could be cute for photos. Keep an eye out. But yeah. I just finished my makeup. I did it a little bit more matte than normal because we're getting photos, but this is what it looks like. Just in my hair. I don't know how I'm going to wear my hair, but it depends on the outfit. But Peyton's just on her way over, and then we're heading to Ikea. Just Peyton doing an ab workout before we get her. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys my outfit. This is what I wore out to dinner last night, but I forgot to show you what I was wearing. So I just wore this top with these jeans, both from my clothing haul, and then just my sneaky deekies. Yeah.
Spot there? No.
We're just having some road rage trying to find a park. There's fucking idiots everywhere that don't know how to fucking drive.
Oh my god.
Oh, here.
There we go.
I understand. Okay.
So, this is a good one to park at?
Oh, it's a 15-minute limit.
Oh, fuck that. We'll be going up one more, thank you.
Okay, so we're just gonna juice with orange, pineapple, ginger, mint, and beetroot. And we're just getting some wraps as well because we're hungry. Meow. Oh. Just utilizing the most of the Ikea bathrooms. I'm really digging like this little set right here. I think it's really cute because I want to redo my bathroom, so looking for inspo. But these mirrors are also really cute. Yeah. Can I borrow it? Yes. Guys, this is my little new cactus that I'm getting. This is me and Peyton simultaneously wheeling our trolley. We're gonna oh my god, bye. We're gonna buy this mirror and then we're gonna go back around to get a photo.
Huh?
I'm talking.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. My little cactus, I dropped him when I was going through the checkout, and like we're almost home, and I was just like, oh, where's my cactus? I forgot, and it'd fucking fallen over in the back seat, so now there's soil everywhere. I'm really sorry, little cactus. I hope you don't die. Oh no! Oh, my poor cactus. Look. Fuck. Stunning.
Creating that art, girl.
Good morning. It is 10:20 in the morning. I slept in because I'm actually past the point of exhaustion. Like, I am so tired and so drained, and that's that. So I slept in this morning. My skin's getting a little bit better, but I just have a few that I popped. Like, it is starting to go down, and I'm not getting any more blemishes. It's just the ones that I have picked at. I'm just waiting for them to go down, but yeah, it's definitely getting better. I have less texture and I don't have any rashes on my face anymore, so it's more just this area. But yeah, I literally have had a really horrible week, so I'm so tired. I'm surprised I don't have like 400 million pimples. I'm getting one like here, which is really weird because it feels like a multi-bite. But anyway, so I'm just off to get my nails done at the mall because I was meant to get them done yesterday, but I went back to sleep before work because I didn't start till 2, so I had a nap beforehand. I need to get rid of these bottles that keep clinking all the time. Yeah, I'm going to get my nails done, and then I'm going to go to the gym. This will be up after Monday, but I'm not posting a fitness vlog this week because I literally have not been motivated. It's Friday. I've only been yesterday, which was Thursday. I went to PT. So I just haven't been motivated to film or go. But I will go today, and I'll go on Sunday as well, so I can have Saturday as like a rest day, but then I'll be going Sunday. This is my nail situation. It's disgusting, so I'm getting that fixed ASAP. I don't know what I want. But yeah, anyway, that's my life. Put a poll on my Instagram choosing between 2 colours, and naturally I went for the colour that absolutely no one voted for. But they're really short. I kind of look like Shrek, but I love them. But they're just very short.
Begin, or even really what to do. So no matter what I do, every time I get ahead, it's like I go back. So for right now, I'm just gonna let this one ride. I'm just gonna let this one ride.
Okay, I actually feel like I'm about to have a stress mental breakdown. I just had so much to do today, and I literally don't have time because I woke up late, but I was so tired. So yeah, I just need to wash my hair. Wash my hair, and then I literally need to get ready, so I just made my lunches. I haven't put my washing away, I haven't watered my plants. I literally have so much to do, and I'm so stressed and I'm so tired. Okay guys, so I just finished my makeup. This is what it looks like. I'm wearing this head thing I'm not too sure about, but yeah, I'm about to leave to go pick Jess up, and then we're on the way to Rachel's fight. Okay guys, sorry I spoke a little bit quietly before because we had family friends over that I don't know, so it was awkward. But yeah, I just did my makeup. I'm just wearing my Tommy jumper because Rach is fighting for the red team, so I have to wear something red. And it's cold, so you know. Wearing this head thing, I was meant to match with Peyton, but I forgot to bring Peyton's, and I'm really devo, but anyway. Yeah, just off to the fight. Can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna be wild. I'm excited.